Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to active the Earth chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Let's have a look. First, open Messenger app. Now open the conversation you want to customize. Tap the conversation name at the top of the screen. Then tap theme. From this list, tap the Earth chat theme. Previewing art theme. You will see these messages you send to other people in this color, and messages from your friends will look like this. Tap the select button in the bottom right corner of the screen. That's it. Art theme activated for Facebook Messenger. So these are the steps to active the Art chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.